There's a thunderstorm. When there's a thunderstorm, get away from all poles. Don't be hugging it like this, dip. When it's raining, get inside. And don't throw a temper tantrum. Don't be near poles during a thunderstorm.
Hi.
Don't hide under trees during a thunderstorm. You could get electrocuted. Never ride your bike during a thunderstorm. You could get electrocuted because of the metal. When it's raining out, you want to get off the bike. Don't stay on it. When it's thunderstorming, get away from the tree immediately. Get off the poles too. When it's thunderstorming, stay calm and do not panic.